Today we are going to discuss about analytical constants of fatty acids. And the first analytical constant for analysis of fats and oils we are going to discuss is acid value. In this lecture we can also discuss that how to write this in your lab record when performed this practical in lab. Now coming to the definition. Acid value indicates the proportion of free fatty acids present in the oil and fat, and this may be defined as the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize the acid in 1 gram of sample. The acid value may also express as percent of free fatty acids calculated as oleic acid, lauric, ricinoleic and palmitic acid. And this value is determined directly by titrating the oil or fat in alcoholic medium against standard potassium hydroxide solution. In place of potassium hydroxide, you may also use sodium hydroxide solution. The procedure is based upon the reaction of hydrolysis, and the reaction of hydrolysis we have already discussed in our previous lecture. This is the reaction in which the triglyceride is hydrolyzed with water to produce glycerol and the free fatty acids. These free fatty acids were hydrolyzed by using potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide solution using phenolphthalein indicator. Now, what is the analytical importance? The acid value is a measure of the amount of fatty acids which have been liberated by hydrolysis from the glycerides due to the action of moisture, temperature or lipolytic enzymes. It is a relative measure of rancidity, and rancidity we have already discussed in our previous lecture. And we all know that in rancidity there is a production of free fatty acids, and it is a measure of rancidity as free fatty acids are normally formed during decomposition of triglycerides. Rancidity can occur in many products or ingredients during storage. For example, if we have stored an oil container for a long period of time and unfortunately the lid of the container is open, then the oil becomes hydrolyzed or oxidized. And hydrolysis or oxidization of the oil can produce free fatty acids, peroxides, low molecular weight aldehydes, low molecular weight ketones, and all these can result in distinctive smell and affect the quality of the oil or fat. This can also have an impact on nutritive value also. So, the analytical importance of acid value is to measure that whether the oil becomes rancid or not. As we all know that if the oil becomes rancid or the color of the oil changes to black, then it cannot be used for cooking or other purposes. Now, how can you write and perform this practical in your lab? Before going to the procedure, you can start with object. And the object of the practical will be to determine the acid value of the given oil sample. You can take any oil like castor oil, coconut oil, mustard oil or any other oil or fat. Then after object you have to write references, like the procedure is given in IP also, so you can give reference of IP and other books which includes these topics. Now then you have to write material required, and in chemicals the material required are ethanol, ether, potassium hydroxide solution, phenolphthalein indicator. Glasswares you required are conical flask, volumetric flask, burette, reflux, measuring cylinder, pipette, dropper, and for weighing we need weighing balance. Then for theory you can write definition and analytical importance, which we have already discussed in the lecture. Now coming to the procedure. Step number 1. First, you have to measure the fat and oil 10 gram. Accurately weigh the sample with your weighing balance and then dissolve this sample in 50 ml a mixture of equal volumes of ethanol and ether contained in a conical flask. You have to observe that whether the sample is dissolved properly in your ether and ethanol mixture. If not, then connect the reflex condenser and warm slowly until it dissolves. After dissolution, add 1 ml of phenolphthalein and titrate with 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide or 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution until the solution remains faintly pink after shaking for 30 seconds. The value obtained after the titration is written in the observation table, and you have to prepare your observation table like this: the initial burette reading, the final burette reading and the average reading. The minimum reading for the titration must be 3 readings. You can write the reaction and the observation table on the blank page of the record by using a pencil. Then you have to do the calculation, and the formula for the calculation is acid value is equal to 56.11 V into N upon W, where 56.11 is the molecular weight of the potassium hydroxide, V is the volume, N is the normality of the potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide solution, and W is the weight in gram of the sample taken. Now coming to the pre-lab assignment for acid value. I want to mention here that these assignments can help you to introduce with and to prepare for the lab practical you are going to perform. Like for acid value, you can solve these assignments. The first, define acid value. We have already discussed. What is rancidity? We have already discussed in our previous lecture. Give the type of rancidity with mechanism, that is the hydrolytic and the oxidative rancidity we have to mention here. What are the main objectives of measuring acid value? We have to check whether the oil become rancid or whether it can be used for cooking purposes or not. Darkening of the oil color takes place due to, we all know that if the oil become rancid, then it becomes dark in color. The acid value of the lubricating oil must be less than 0.1 mg per gram. So these are the queries for pre-lab assignment. Now what are post-lab assignments? Or you can also get a numerical related to this topic in your examination. What is the numerical? Find acid value of vegetable oil whose 5 ml requires 2 ml of N by 100 KOH during titration. State whether the blend can still be useful for lubrication. So here you are getting a 5 ml of oil, and because the unit is in ml, we have to change it in gram. So weight is equal to volume upon density, and the density of oil is given here 0.92. So the weight of oil is equal to volume of oil in ml into density. Then the weight of volume is 5 and the density is 0.92. We get 4.60 gram of oil. Now for the acid value, we have already given the formula 56.11 V into N upon W. So two ml of N by 100 KOH solution is used, so we can put 2 into 0.01 is the N by 100 KOH solution, into 56, and this is divided by 4.60, the 4.60 gram, that is the weight of the oil. Then we get a value of 0.243 mg of KOH per gram of oil. So like this you have you can solve the numerical, or you can calculate the acid value by using your observation table. Now the next part of the numerical is that state whether the blend can still be useful for lubrication. Then here we are seeing that the value is 0.243 and this value is more than 0.1 mg per gram of oil, hence it is not suitable for lubrication purpose. Now after performing all these headings, you have to write the result. And how you can write the result? The result is acid value of the given oil or fat is 0.243 mg of KOH per gram of oil. You can also watch my video related to how to write the lab record for writing this practical in your record. I think this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for your time.